Merciful Lord, I humbly acknowledge my limitations and helplessness to respond to the suffering multitudes all around me. Please forgive me for not doing what I should have done to help the poor and needy. Thank you for giving me the privilege to participate in this Lenten journey of praying, fasting, and almsgiving. Please have mercy on the dying millions, especially due to starvation in countries like Somalia and many poor nations. Have mercy on us, Lord. Amen.
Lord.